When you turn the power on, and it gets to this point, you hit main. Now it's telling me press safety reset here and here. I'm going to hit it. Now we're clear. I'm going to demonstrate this button, these outfeed. They're all hooked to a limit switch. Gowie, hit the first limit switch. The outfeed stop. Okay. Let it go, Gowie. Chris, hit the first limit switch. In-feed stop. There we go. We have an extreme limit switch down there. Chris, hit the extreme. If we hit that, we have an alarm. We're going to reset the alarm. Are you holding it? Oh, let go. So now it's reset. Yowie, hit yours. Extreme, just trip it, Yowie. Let go. And then we have to reset the alarm. Reset.